All right, we got another Ducati that just came in. It's going to be another Ducati lost key replacement. This is going to be for a 2012 Ducati 848 Streetfighter. So basically, they send us the dashboard. They send us the ignition. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple blanks. I keep a bag of keys, so there's no need to send me any keys. Plus, these keys don't have chips. I'm able to put my own chips in them and then write them into the dashboards. So don't bother to buy a dealer key and send it to me, because I won't be able to use it, because the dealer key has partial data already written on it. I need a chip that's totally blank. So basically, let me get back to this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to decode this ignition and figure out what the existing cuts are. If you didn't change none of the locks on the bike, when I make this key, it should work everything else, the seat, the gas. And then after that, after the keys are cut, I'm going to put chips in them. And then I'm going to program them to the dashboard. That's it. That's basically the gist of what I'm going to do. After that point, it's going to be plug and play. So I'll come back in a little bit. Oh, yeah. I make keys for Can-Am Spiders, spare keys. We got some buddy scooter lock here. That's about it. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy's done. Dashboard's already packed up. Let's get ready to go back to the customer. Here you go. 2 keys are now cut. Key 1. What you're looking at also to make sure it's a complete key. Steering bolt lock going back in. And that's it. These keys are both programmed. They both have chips in them. Let's read one of the keys real quick. I color code them. Lets me know which key it is. This is going to be key number 1. There you go. It has chip data. It's programmed. Basically, the chips are blank. When I first start, it'll have a series of 5s or 0s. And once I program them, it changes the format of the chip so it matches what the bike needs to start. And that's about it. If you need my help, give me a call. I do a lot of Ducatis. I make the keys from scratch. I do the special programming. And that's about it. There ain't really much to say. When the customer get this thing back, it'll just be plug and play. The bike won't even know the difference. Once you plug everything back up, the key will automatically be recognized, so there won't be no additional programming needed. You just basically plug and play and just ride. So if you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what I'm going to need, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. And go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.